Ready to revolutionize your cooking? Meet the Instant Pot Duo Plus, the ultimate kitchen gadget for effortless meals. This isn't just a pressure cooker, it's your all-in-one kitchen wizard, boasting 9-in-1 functionality to replace countless appliances. From lightning-fast pressure cooking to creamy yogurt, it handles everything, simplifying meal prep like never before. Worried about complex recipes? With 15 customizable smart programs, cooking perfectly is as simple as pressing a button. Whether it's soup, chili, poultry, or cake, these presets take the guesswork out of delicious, healthy meals every time. And let's talk about durability and ease of cleaning. Its premium stainless steel inner pot ensures healthy cooking and wipes clean in a flash. What truly sets the Duo Plus apart is how it effortlessly combines advanced technology with intuitive design, making gourmet cooking accessible for everyone. If you're looking to buy the best kitchen appliance for 2025, you seriously need to consider this gem. Find the link to grab yours in the description below. Imagine saving hours each week, enjoying healthier home-cooked meals, and decluttering your countertops. That's the Instant Pot Duo Plus promise. For anyone serious about upgrading their kitchen and simplifying their life, the Instant Pot Duo Plus is an absolute must-have investment.